Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to change the sandbox settings in Project Zomboid. If you're starting a new game, go to Solo, then choose Custom Sandbox instead of Survivor or Apocalypse. This opens the full sandbox options menu where you can adjust zombie population, loot rarity, XP multipliers, vehicle settings, and more before the world generates. Once you're done, start the game and those settings will apply to that save. Now if you want to change sandbox settings on an existing save, look for sandbox options mods in the Project Zomboid workshop page on Steam. Find one that works for your current build version and subscribe to it. Restart your game and make sure to enable it in the main menu. Read the mod's instructions on how to activate the sandbox options. In my case, I need to be in-game to open it by pressing the opening square bracket. From there, you can modify the sandbox values. Note that some major changes may not fully apply mid-playthrough. Always back up your save before editing existing sandbox settings, especially if you're modifying files manually to avoid corruption or unintended behavior. And that's how you change sandbox settings in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.